Hello, everyone. My name is Hao Tran. I am a science teacher turned chef, and I'm here to give you a little demonstration on a dish that is one of my favorites. But a little bit about myself. I'm a science teacher by day, and then at night I cook. I am part of Hao and Diksha Dumplings, the Table Market and Culinary Studio, and also I do chef collaborations under Lost in the Sauce. We're here at the Kimball, and it's an amazing place. If you haven't been here, the art, the architecture, it's a gem in Fort Worth. Today we're making one of my favorite dishes. It's lotus stem salad. It's a wonderful dish for a summer, spring. The symbolic of the lotus itself, it's a sign of purity and enlightenment, so it just brings that freshness to the dish. There's a couple of things I'm using of the lotus. First of all, it's the pickled lotus stem. This is something you can get at the Asian market, and all I did was julienne the stems. Here's a jar right here. And then just to give you the difference between the stem and the floral part, this is the floral part where the buds come out. It's a little more harder, and we're not going to put it. I just wanted to show you what the floral part looked like. This is something that you can prep ahead of time. You can serve with lettuce. You can serve with the protein. But I've chosen to put chicken, and I've just taken roasted chicken, shredded the chicken, and then some shrimp that's been boiled and deveined. So super easy, and we can just get started by putting all the ingredients together. So first of all, of course, the most important thing is the lotus stem. So it's going to go in the bowl. Then I have some pickled carrots and daikon, and it's very easy to do with a little bit of vinegar, and let it soak overnight. So all of that goodness is going to go in there. All right, some cucumbers that have been chopped up right here. And all of this is going to be given to you in a recipe, so don't worry. We'll give you a recipe so you can certainly do this at home. Some pickled onions. They're little bitty pearl onions. Some shallots here. Of course, our shrimp and our chicken all go in there. Now here's the flavor, the seasoning in here are the fresh herbs. We have mint that's in here. We also have Vietnamese coriander. It's called rau răm. This is the key because this gives that flavor in here for this very authentic dish. And then we have cilantro. So I'm going to roll it all up, and this is like a handful, and I'm going to chop it. I like to keep things fresh, so that's why I kind of waited to do it at the very end here. Put it in your bowl. Now the sauce that's going in here is the Vietnamese fish sauce. It's called NUoC CHAM. It's been diluted with water, sugar, and fresh lime juice, and it just makes all the flavors pop in there. So I'm going to swirl that around, mix it up. Now you want to saturate everything in here, so you know, you can take your hands and just kind of massage it a little bit and toss it. Super easy, right? Make sure all the lettuce stems get some of that sauce. Oh, I can smell it, guys. Smell all the mint, all the coriander, just the freshness of it. And at the very end, you know, if you want, you're going to squeeze a little bit of lime in there to bring out even more flavors. And really, it's ready to serve. Wow, this looks amazing. And you can put this on your summer table to eat al fresco. Now we're going to garnish with some fried shallots here. And then some roasted peanuts. And a little garnish with the coriander and a little mint. And there you go. You have Vietnamese lotus salad. It's a Hao Tran. So enjoy.